I'm hoping for goals. I'm hoping for goals. So much drama in these two teams come together.
Laki bola isuwe. Oh. Isuwe so laki bola.
In the middle, Aubrey Modiba looking to almost play in a centre forward position. It's going to be interesting to figure out exactly who's who in this unusual lineup. Here's Tembazwane.
Oh, that down.
Making their way slowly into the Ghana straight.
Oh, best right back in the tackle.
A lot of the routes doesn't make much sense.
Oh, oh, down, very two. Kanda. Hey, but what's going on?
Focus and present, and this will be the order of the game for Mamelodi Sundowns. Just stealing it. Beautiful pass for Modiba.
Pressing forward here, Mamelodi Sundowns.
Hey, hey.
Inside, the return for Modiba.
Hey, bo.
Just a little Sundowns got a penalty.
Hey, bo.
Yes.
Oh! Hang on!
That's bad. But he gets body checked by Dion Hotto. Nerves continues here.
Really trying to stay connected from the back of Mamelodi Sundowns. Don't call it out twice. Just call it out twice.
Some big points.
Over there, pa.
Come on! Oh!
Chance for Pirates now. Maswangangi in possession, looking for
Connect sometimes.
route into the stadium.
Everybody pass. Find out my son again. Kanda.
Finds Makopa.
Oh,
He was offside. Searching Ribeiro.
Twice.
On the charge.
Twice.
Maswangangi.
Yeah?
Makopa to his left. Looking to get it into the box. Makopa again offside.
Salim just finds himself with acres of space, doesn't really scan around where he has an opposition.
Tanete now fires it.
Marshall!
Taking any chances. He gets the
Take
ball
me home.
early.
Take me home.
Chases on, lovely ball in.
Ay, 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 ay.
Support, but
Himo!
goes for goal.
Himo!
My word, they're going to be
What's
stuck.
wrong?
Kabu. Host, come Kabu. Come on.
Now gets his opportunity for the first time.
Kind of
in a
like-
couple
it's
of
like-
years.
it's like-
Ball inside to Mudau. He do it here this afternoon again. Asangangi. Salente was the man he was looking for. He was far too strong.
Red card.
Yellow card for Mendieta. This game continues.
Leave.
Yannick to Saleh.
Kabu.
Here's the man who's going to try and get past. Saleh weaving his way. Looking for the hero. Finds it.
What a pass.
Heading towards No chance for the keeper. Chambers only needed no second invitation.
Yeah, very unfortunate. Yeah, definitely.
There's Mudau. Morin, excuse me. Looking to find Zwane. Odiba inside to Zwane. Leaves it. Pass. He has a leg there. Shot. So from Jose Ribeiro.
Sasishaya ndani ile season Sundowns. Ile season hiyo sasishaya ndani. So ishaya. Ngino 50 rand lalo. Ubani othi iPirates ngeyiziqubuli. Ngino 50 rand. Oh! Fani pasi away. Amnia ngani kila ini. Amnia ngani kila ini. Penalty. Penalty.
Africa dad.
What a ball!
Yeah, so
It wasn't. No, and that was like all the time. Yeah, Buffett, come on. Number 8 was a